Chaliye, okay people. So today we are going to start with chapter number 8, that is money market, right? We are going to do the first unit today itself, right? It's like in total we'll see 3 units in this chapter, chapter number 8. 3 units are there: unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3, right? Today we are going to start with unit number 1, that is the basic unit, right, where you will study the concepts of money demand with important theories. And when I say important theories, the theories are really very important. Are you clear? Shall we start with the things? Cool. देखिए, what is this all about? What is this written? I'll explain the things to you first, and then if you want to read, you may read it. Things are very simple, beta. Since we are going to start money market, and as the name suggests, money market, it means we are going to focus on money here. We'll talk about money here, right? Money is nothing new for you people. Money is something which is known to everybody. Everybody has used it. Yes or no? Yes. But the point is, despite of being so familiar with this term money, despite of being so familiar with the working of money, majority of people would not be able to define what is money. Right? I ask you people, बताइए, what is money for you? Those are the functions of money. Correct है? अब I'll tell you one thing. There is no particular definition of money. Money has not been defined anywhere. Money has not been defined anywhere. Okay? Since money is not defined anywhere, we can go with the meaning of money. Sir, meaning, definition, they're not same actually. Meaning, when we say meaning is like a general meaning. And when we talk about the definition, it is the formal definition. Are you clear? Yes or no, people? So, let us understand the meaning and working of money. How it works and what does money means. To understand money, we have to understand the working of system when there was no money. I mean, I'm talking about a system where money was not introduced. So let us understand the history of money, how it was introduced, and then we will see that what is the working of money. So when there was no money, goods were exchanged for goods. It means when you will be in the market, right, and there is no money, how will you trade? You will trade with the goods itself. It means you are giving some goods to some other person, and that other person is giving some goods to you. Right? I hope all of you understand what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the barter system. Yes or no? Barter system. A system of exchanging goods with goods. Are we clear? So for example, there are two people, A and B. A giving wheat to B. In return, B giving rice to A. Simple transaction? Yes or no? No, it is not that simple. Abhi here we are understanding very easily that yes sir, what is happening here? A is giving wheat to B, B is giving rice to A. People try to understand the hard work behind this transaction. What is the hard work behind this transaction? It is like A might have invested time in searching B. Sir, why? Because in barter system, one of the major problem was that two people can conduct the transaction only when one person has what other person wants, and that other person should have what first person wants. Then only this transaction can be conducted. So yes, it looks very simple to us, but yes, it is not that simple. Because in this transaction, in this system, we have to witness many problems. Are we clear? Now, this system was being used everywhere. The question is whether this system was effective for all types of economies or not. The answer is no. Why? Because people used to face many difficulties in this trading system. One of the problem I have discussed with you people. Correct? hai? Now, what were the major problems of water system? 4 problems. Let us understand these 4 problems side by side, one by one, and then we will get to the other part. What is the first problem? Double coincidence of wants. The problem I just explained to you people. You should have what I want and I should have what you want. Then only in the barter system we can exchange goods for goods. Are we clear? Second, now in this transaction, we saw that A is giving wheat to B and B is giving rice to A. One thing is to be understood here is, from microeconomics I am taking up this part, the satisfaction level of a person from wheat and from rice will never be same. I mean, the way wheat is satisfying me, the same way rice cannot satisfy me. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? The utility will be very different. For example, in southern part of India, when we talk about the South India, southern part of India, what is the staple food here? Rice. The staple is rice here. But the moment you move to the northern part of India, the staple will change to wheat. Yes or no? Yes. Up you see people who are staying in northern India or the northern part of India, for them wheat will satisfy much more than the rice. Yes or no? Yes. And it is a very opposite situation in the southern part of India. Yes or no, people? Yes. So one thing is very clear, that two commodities cannot have the same utility. अब since two commodities cannot have same utility, tell me one thing, if I am giving you 10 kg wheat, how much rice you will give me? Who will decide it? And on what basis it will be decided? Because utility will change from person to person. And we cannot make a perfect general system which can be applied in all situations. Right? This was the second problem. What was the problem? There was lack of a standard unit of account. It means there was no common measure of value. There was no such system through which we could have measured the value of the goods. Yes or no? Yes. Are we clear? Third problem, difficulty in storing wealth. Now let's say if I have wheat with me. Wheat is a grain. For how much time I can store wheat? Storing wheat, storing rice, storing fruits, storing vegetables, storing these types of goods will be a very difficult task for you. Because today or tomorrow, if you store it for a very long time, they'll get destroyed, they'll be damaged, yes or no? They will lose their value, right? But we'll talk about the money also, right? In this case, we can understand one thing, that you cannot store wealth for a very long time, because ultimately today or tomorrow the goods we are going to store, they will be destroyed because they have a limited shelf life. Yes or no, people? Correct? Eh? So because of the shelf life of the goods, it was very difficult for us to store the wealth. They will depreciate over time. Clear hai itna? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fourth problem, in fact, lack of a system to control future payments. Now let's say that today I don't have anything to exchange with you people, but that will not stop my needs. I have to satisfy my basic needs whether I have goods to exchange or not. Correct?
Yes.
In this case, what would I request you? I would request you that you give me 20 kg wheat today, and next time I harvest my crops, I'll give you 20 kg of rice. Now the problem is, if I am taking 20 kg wheat and I am using it for the next 6 months, and then I am giving you 20 kg rice, don't you think I've used your goods for 6 months for free? Yes or no? What is your benefit in that? Correct? So in barter system, the problem was, whenever it comes to future payment, whenever it comes to making the payment in future, the problem was that there was no standard for it. how to do the future payments, how much extra to give, etc., etc. There was no such arrangement made. Are we clear? These were the four basic problems. Now, these problems are the root cause. Listen to me carefully. These problems are the root cause of introduction of money. Why money was introduced? Because of these problems. Let us see how the introduction of money alleviated the complexities inherent in the barter system. The question is how the introduction of money alleviated the complexities inherent in the barter system. So whatever problems we used to face in barter system, how the introduction of money elevated those complexities. Means when money was introduced, how the problems of barter system was solved. That we have to see. Correct? You see, on one side, I have listed all the complexities, and on the other side, I have given the solution, which are further the functions of money. Yes or no? Yes. What was the first problem in the barter system? Sir, it was very difficult to search the person. I have wheat. Do you have rice? No. I want wheat, but I don't have rice. I have something else. I have wheat, but I want rice. Anybody having it? Anybody having it? From market to market, area to area, region to region, one village to another village, people used to move. That used to increase the transportation cost also. Getting a point? After the introduction of money, what happened? It became very easy. Why? Dekhiye, everybody needs money. Yes or no? Everybody needs money. So nowadays, how do we do the transactions? There is only one thing we should know. What? I want to buy this thing and I will get this thing from this particular place. That is it. If you know that from where you will get the commodity you want to buy, you are least bothered about the wants of the other person, because you know that the other person has a similar want. What? Money. He wants what? Money. Yes or no? So wherever you go, you never ask that person, sir, I want a packet of biscuit. Will you take money for it? No. You know that he will accept money, because that is the common medium of exchange. Yes or no? Do we understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
So what was the problem? Double coincidence of wants. And what is the solution? Medium of exchange. Are we clear?
Yes.
Second point. Lack of standard or unit of account. I told you. The next problem was, for how much wheat, how much other commodity should be given. If I am giving you 10 kg wheat, who will decide? How we will decide that how much rice or how much commodity X should be given in turn of the 10 kg ka wheat? Correct? With money, the problem is solved. Because everything you buy, you know one thing. What? It has a monetary value. I want to buy this remote, 5,000. I want to buy this smart TV, 2 lakhs. I want to buy the camera, 2 lakhs. I want to buy these lights, 5,000. Yes or no? I want to buy a shirt, 2,000, etc., etc. I'm saying. Are you getting a point? It means what? The problem in barter system was there was no standard unit in which you could have measured all the commodities. But now, with the introduction of money, there is a measure of value. Are we clear? Third thing, I told you, storing wealth was a very difficult task. Storing wealth was a very difficult task. But with money, no problem at all. You can easily store money. Yes or no? And for whatever time you want to store money, you may do it. You may store it. It will never depreciate. Try and understand one thing. I am saying you can store the value of money. I am not talking about the purchasing power here. Value of money and purchasing power, they are two different things. Sir, how they are different? Value means if I store 100 rupees ka note today, after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, When I take out that note, the value of the note will be 100 rupees only. Yes or no? Yes or no? But let us say 1 unit of commodity X, today the price is 10 rupees per unit. If I use that 100 rupees ka note, how many units of commodity X I can buy today? 10 units. Yes or no? But after 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 10 years, do you really think the price will remain the same? Inflation will hit, price will increase. Now let us say after 6 years the price is 20 rupees per unit. At that time, with that same note, how many units I would be able to buy? Sir, only 5 units. This is the purchasing power. This is the purchasing power of the money. And value means the value will remain same. You will receive the same value of the note. What I'm trying to say is that we can store the value, but we cannot store the purchasing power. Do we understand this thing? Everybody, yes? Cool. Fourth problem. Problem was lack of a system to control future payments. Lack of a system to control future payments. If I am using your goods today, in barter system I am saying, if I am using your goods today, for 6 months I use your goods, when I will repay, in barter system, there was no such system to decide, there was no such arrangement through which we could decide how much extra payment I should do. Extra as in, sir, why to pay extra? Because you are using my goods for 6 months. No. You are using my goods. These are my goods, but I'm allowing you to use my goods. So you have to pay me for that. Barter system, no arrangement. But with money, it is there. Money acts as a standard of deferred payment. Sir, what do you mean by deferred payment? Deferred payment means future payment, beta. Today, if you take a loan of rupees 1 lakh from the bank and you promise that bank to return that money, to repay that money after 1 year, what bank will say? Sir, today I am giving you 1 lakh rupees. After 1 year, you have to pay me 1.2 lakh rupees. Yes or no? It means 20,000 ka interest aa gaya. Yes or no? Yes. It means now we know that if we use money, if we use someone else's money for a particular period of time, the other person will ask me that you have enjoyed the service of my goods, of my money, you have to pay me extra. Yes or no? Are we clear? It means money has a standard of deferred payment. Are we clear with this thing? Sure? Okay. I'll give you 2 minutes, revise the points and get back to me with a yes if you are clear, and if you have a doubt, you can ask your doubts. Money can be anything exactly, but money is what money does. There is no particular definition of money, we agree, but it is generally said that money is what money does. Sir, what is this weird meaning? Weird nahi hai, it is a very technical meaning. Money is what money does means that anything which satisfies the functions of money is referred as money. Anything which satisfies the 4 functions of money will be a money for us. What are the 4 functions of money? First is, second is, third is, then M square, S square. M square, S square. Medium measure, store standard. Yes or no? Are we clear? Medium of, measure of, standard of, थोड़ा सा इसको जरा please. Standard of, store of, which value? Not the purchasing power, monetary value. Are we clear? So beta, anything which satisfies the functions of money is referred as money. Are we clear? Any doubts till now? Any questions? It's a very easy part. Yes? Chali. What is fiat money? Any idea what is fiat money? Like, fiat money means what? Fiat money is like anything which does not have its own material value, but government has given value to it. For example, have you seen currency notes? Everybody, yes, of course. 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100, 500, 200. Now if I take 500 rupees ka note, the paper on which it is printed, do you really think that the worth of that paper is 500 rupees? No. But as a currency note, what is the value of that paper? 500 means. Yes or no? Yes. Who has given this value of 500 rupees for that paper? Government. So anything which does not have its own material value, but government has given a value to it that it can be used as a money. That is, it can be used as a measure of value. It can be used as a medium of exchange. It can be used as a store of value, and it can be used as a standard of deferred payment. That thing will become fiat money. Read it. Anything which is materially worthless. Anything which is materially worthless. Correct? But has value simply because the government of the nation has given a value to it. Are we clear? In old times, we used to use gold, silver and shells were used by people to exchange goods and services. Then these times were replaced by metal money. Try and understand. Old times, what we used to use for exchanging the goods and services? Gold coins, silver coins, metal coins. Yes or no? After that, what happened? We replaced those things with metal coins. Then paper currency. Yes or no? Correct hai ya nahi hai? Yes, after paper currency, we got plastic money. Sir, what is plastic money? Sir, debit card, credit card. Try and understand. If I show you one debit card, that debit card, sir, is it really plastic money? Of course, yes. Sir, how can you say that? Because it is satisfying all the 4 functions of money. Don't we use the debit cards to make payment in the malls, in the shops? Medium of exchange. Don't you know don't you get to know that how much money you should deduct from the debit card? It is a measure of value. Can't you store money in your debit card? The value will remain same, whatever money you will have in debit card. Yes or no? Don't you subscribe OTT platforms? Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Netflix. What do we do nowadays? We subscribe it and we set it on the auto payment. Means every month, every year, the money will be auto debited. Yes or no? Standard of future payment. Yes or no? We are making the future payments. We inform our bank. We instruct our bank. This day to this person, this amount should be debited. Yes or no? If we are putting this instruction on a debit card, it will be debited. On credit card, it will be debited. Yes or no? What is this? Standard of deferred payment. That is future payment. And with this, we understand one more thing. Technically, the debit card is just a piece of plastic. It is materially worthless. But if you have 1 crore in your account, the debit card ka worth is 1 CR. Sir, who has decided it? Government has decided it. That is the reason that is a fiat money. Correct? So, we started with metal coins. We moved on to paper money. Then we went to plastic money. And then we got digital money. Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, Bheem, and for under 18s FamPay. Yes or no? Hai na? So, this is what I was talking about, guys. Now we have replaced it by metal money, paper money, plastic money, and now we use digital currency, which is authorized by the government of India as a fiat money. I'll give you one more example. Hopefully you will understand it. Demonetization. What happened there? All of a sudden, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, right? He announces the fact that from today midnight, 500 rupees note, 1000 rupees notes, bye bye Tata, see you. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Just after that day, after the midnight, before the strike of midnight, that paper 500 rupees, that paper 1000 rupees. After the strike of midnight, that paper just a piece of paper. That paper just a piece of like 1000 rupees, 500 rupees, just a piece of paper only. Yes or no? I hope you can connect with the fiat money concept now. Something which which government is authorizing, then only it will become fiat money. Otherwise, it is just worthless for us. Are we clear? You might have seen the news में memes and reels, na? After the demonetization, वो भेलपुरी वाला, he was selling भेलपुरी in 500 rupees का note. Yes or no? है ना? Students in their colleges, they were using 500 rupees, 1000 rupees notes to cover their glasses as a shed. Yes or no? So I hope you understand that without the value, that is just a piece of paper. Are we clear with this thing? Are we clear with the meaning of fiat money, guys? Shall we move in? Perfect. Functions are different. Features are different. Features are the characteristics of the money. Okay, let us see. I hope you will be able to understand all the things very easily. What is the first point? It is generally acceptable. Everybody will accept it. Second is durable or long lasting. Yes or no? The quality of the paper which is used to print paper money is a very fine quality. It is a very heavy quality paper. Yes or no? And if you go to the foreign countries like Malaysia, they will the money you will see, the notes are plastic notes. The plastic notes, the durability is very high. You know, so it is very durable to carry those notes. Correct? Metal coins made of metal, कितना durable है? Long lasting है? Yes or no? Plastic money durable है, although it has expiry date, and that is just for the security purpose. Otherwise, if you remove the expiry date of that card also, it is very durable to carry that card. Yes or no, people? Effortlessly recognizable. If I keep 100 notes before you, and there I ask you to recognize 100 rupees notes, 500 rupees note, 200 rupees note, वो ऐसे बता देंगे, sir, that is 100 rupees note because of the color and the feature. So that is 200 rupees note, that is 500. Yes or no? Yes, it means the notes, the money is made in a way that you can recognize it very easily. Understood? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Difficult to counterfeit. Can you reproduce it? Can you make duplicate money? So it is not possible at all. If I give you two notes, one original, the other one is counterfeit note, you will be able to recognize it very quickly. Sir, this is original, this is counterfeit. By the paper we use, the ink we use, the features we put in that currency note, they are very different. It is very much difficult to counterfeit it because it's a very minute work which you do in the currency, so that it cannot be reproduced easily. Nobody can copy it easily. Are we clear? Next point is relatively scarce. That is why we are studying economics. Scarcity of resources. Yes or no? Yes. What do you mean by scarcity of resources? Yes. That the resources are, the demand is high and supply is very less. And since we know that one of the functions of money is medium of exchange, you need money to buy anything. It means money is the most common resource you should have in your pocket. If you don't have money, you cannot buy anything. Yes or no? Yes. Correct hai? Yes. Ab money ki supply is very less than demand. Yes or no, people? Yes. Next is portable or easily transported. You can keep your money in your pocket and you can just transport it like anything, anywhere. Yes or no, people? Yes. Possessing uniformity. You talk about Indian currency, the note will be same throughout the country. I mean, it is not like that if you go to Delhi and you will see a different 10 rupees note or different 500 rupees note, and if you go to Karnataka and you see a different 10 rupees note, different 500 rupees note, aisa nahi hai. It is not like that. The notes, the coins are similar throughout the country. When you move from one country to another, then the currency will change. Are you clear? Yes or no? Yes. Next point is divisible into smaller parts in usable quantities or fractions without losing value. If I give 100 rupees note to a shopkeeper and I buy 20 rupees ka good, how much money he will return? 80 rupees. And that will be in change. 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees. Means what? That 100 rupee ka note has been divided into smaller fraction without losing the value. The value will remain same. And it has been divided into smaller fractions also. Yes or no? Right? So, you see, all these points, around 8 points, are regarded as the features of money. right? I would ask you people to read all the points once again, go through with it, revise them. Any doubts, please ask. The main question, what is money market? देखिए, the chapter is not about money, the chapter is about money market. What is money market? But what is market? A place where buyers and sellers will meet each other to conduct buying and selling activities. Yes or no? Correct. What is money market? But a money market again is a place where financial instruments are traded between buyers and sellers. So any such place where financial instruments are traded, financial instruments, financial means anything which is related to finance. Finance bole to money. So anything which is related to money is financial, right? So any instrument which is related to money, which has a monetary worth, monetary value, when that instrument is traded between buyer and seller, the place where we are trading that instrument is what we call money market. Yes or no? Sure. PU2 business studies, part B financial market, two types of market, capital market, money market. That was also money market, short term market. And what we were doing there? We were trading short term instruments like call money, commercial paper, treasury bill, trade bill, commercial paper, certificate of deposit, etc., etc. Yes or no? Can you relate now? Can you relate now? Everybody, yes? Yes? देखिए, this thing you might have said in your microeconomics. If I ask you how market works, what do you think? What will you say? What will be your answer? How a market works? Two people, buyer and seller. Buyer will say his willingness to buy something to seller. Look at me, I want to buy this thing. He is saying his willingness to buy to seller. Seller, what to produce? Whatever he is willing to buy. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Produce it, sell it. अब see यहाँ पे two transactions are happening. One is buyer telling his willingness to buy to seller. Seller is supplying the goods to fulfill his demand. Yes or no? It means market is being operated by two pillars and two forces. Pillars are buyer and seller. Any of these pillar falls down, market will collapse. No buyer, market will not operate. No seller, market will not operate. So these are the two pillars of the market. Yes or no? Yes, sir. What is making market to work? What is putting market into motion? Sir, demand and supply. Market is a cycle, guys. Market is a cycle. You see in cycle, yes or no? Yes, sir. Right? Everybody knows how to ride cycle. Yes. क्या होता है? You sit on it and then you see two pedals. Correct? You push one pedal, your cycle will move a bit. You push second pedal, cycle will move a bit. And when you keep on pedaling, cycle will keep on moving. Market भी ऐसा ही है. First push, first pedal, demand. To its reply, supply. Demand, supply, demand, supply, demand, supply. Market is working. No demand. कैसे चलेगी साइकिल? No supply. How cycle will work? Yes or no? This cycle will be in motion for some time till the time we have stock in the market. I mean, no further supply going on, but we have 1 lakh units in the market still. So whatever demand is there, we will fulfill the demand till 1 lakh units. But the moment supply is over, this stock is over, supply is cut, market will come to halt. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Do we understand this thing, guys? That is what is the point is. Please read it once. It says what? It says any market operates when two market forces, that is demand and supply, respond equally. Respond equally. Try and understand. Chapter number 4, microeconomics, market equilibrium. At which point you will see the market in equilibrium, where demand is equal to supply. People equal to supply. Excess demand, no equilibrium. Excess supply, no equilibrium. Equilibrium is a state of balance. Equilibrium is a position of balance. Means what? When all the things are in balance, that is, that point, that state, that position is what we call equilibrium. Seesaw dekha? Seesaw, right? In seesaw, on one side 100 kg person, other side 50 kg person. It will be like this only. Is this equilibrium? No. Is this equilibrium? Only this is equilibrium. You need equal weight on both these sides. Yes or no? Are we sure? So, any market operates when two market forces, that is demand and supply, respond equally. In other words, a market operates when the demand of the commodities dealt within the market is equal to its supply. Whatever demand is being thrown in the market, it has to be fulfilled by supplying the equal amount of commodities. Are we clear? This is how the market works. Any doubts? Sure? Confirm? Likewise, how money market will operate? When demand and supply will be equal. Are demand for what? Demand for money. Supply of what? Supply of money. It means if I ask you one question, tell me the two market forces of money market. Tell me the two market forces of money market. No demand supply. It should be demand for money and supply of money, because we are talking about money market specifically, beta. Are you clear? So how many elements will study in money market, beta? Two market forces we are going to study. What are they? Money demand, money supply. Or you say demand for money, supply of money. Are you clear? We are going to study this thing in the upcoming chapter. Okay?